Floating down the old road where the grass grows through the cracks. Thought I heard you call my name, but it faded to the back. There was a place we used to hide, past the fence and crooked line. Every moment felt so wide. We were young and out of time. Every step I trace pulls me closer to your face. Still feel the sound of your heartbeat in the ground.